Alright, continuing with preparation of alcohols from carbonyl compounds, the second part of this method is, again it is a process of reduction, but this time we'll do the reduction of other carbonyl compounds, carboxylic acids, जिनका functional group COOH है, and we'll be using esters here. Esters are carboxylic acid derivatives in which the functional group is C double bond O O R dash. It can be like this R or it can be dissimilar than this R. Let's do the reactions. Let's do the general reactions first. Let's take a general carboxylic acid RCOOH. And what we do here is, we have learned previously, we can use lithium, ammonium hydride, a metal complex hydride, as a reducing agent, and it is carried out in the presence of H3O positive, right? In fact, we can also use another reducing agent here, B2H6 diborane, in the presence of ether, ethereal solution of B2H6. And what we get is, we have R aliphatic group ka, the COH gets reduced, and what we get is CH2OH, and alcohol is formed from a carboxylic acid, right? Similarly, what we can do is, if we start with an ester, what is an ester? R C double bond O OR dash. Now this R dash can be similar to R, it's called as a simple ester. It can be different, it's called as a mixed compound. What we do here is, we carry out the reduction again in the presence of lithium ammonium hydride and H3O positive. B2H6 is not a very efficient reducing agent for an ester. It can be used for the reducing agent, as a reducing agent for carboxylic acid, but not a very effective one for the ester. What you get here is RCH2OH plus R dash OH. So we get a mixture of alcohols because we are starting with ester. जब आप reduction करोगे, you will get RCH2OH and R dash OH. There's a cleavage of this bond, right? We get not just one alcohol but two alcohols. This is an alcohol and this is an alcohol. Now products क्या होंगे, R dash क्या होगा, R क्या होगा, it depends which kind of an ester you have started with. Let's do specific examples in case of both carboxylic acids as well as esters. Okay, let's start with CH3COOH. I'm doing the simplest example. Again, carboxyl group जो होता है, carboxylic acid, it's a terminal functional group. Its carbon is always carbon 1, carbon 2. Therefore, the compound is ethanoic acid. Eth is the word root because we have two carbon atoms. We'll carry out the reduction using lithium ammonium hydride as the reducing agent, or you can, in case of carboxylic acids, use ethereal solution of diborane in the acidic medium, H3O positive. What will you get? CH3 CH2OH. See what happens. Reduction किस part की हो रही है? This is the carbonyl group, the carboxylic acid group. This is what happens. Addition of hydrogen. One hydrogen was there, one hydrogen is there. In place of another oxygen is there, oxygen is there. In place of another oxygen atom, we have added two hydrogen atoms. Addition of hydrogen is reduction. We get an alcohol here, and as you must have noticed, it is a primary alcohol. When you carry out the reduction of a carboxylic acid, you get a primary alcohol. And the number of carbon atoms, which is a very, very important observation to be made, it remains the same. जितने कार्बन एटम्स के साथ आप स्टार्ट करोगे, उतने ही प्रोडक्ट में होंगे. You started with ethanoic acid, you have ethanol, right? As far as the esters are concerned, let's take an ester like this. CH3 C double bond O OCH3. It can very well be C2H5. It can be different from this or it can be similar. रिडक्शन इसकी करेंगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ यूजिंग lithium aluminum hydride in acidic medium. What we get is, as I said, cleavage takes place here, and we have a mixture of alcohols, one being CH3CH2OH, another is CH3OH, right? So this part is here in one of the products, and this part of the ester is in another product. Both of them are primary alcohols. The product formed when you carry out the reduction of an ester, this is an ester methyl acetate है ये, and what you get is a primary alcohol. However, जब भी आपको रिएक्शन ऐसी कोई करनी हो, यू हैव टू बी माइंडफुल कि मेरे प्रोडक्ट्स क्या है, उसी हिसाब से आप चूज़ करोगे. इफ़ यू गेट अ क्वेश्चन लाइक दैट, उसी हिसाब से आप अपना स्टार्टिंग एस्टर चूज़ करोगे. एक अल्कोहल का कार्बन हाइड्रोजन नेटवर्क पार्ट ये होना चाहिए, एंड दूसरे अल्कोहल का कार्बन हाइड्रोजन नेटवर्क ये होना चाहिए. R group of the ester, of the functional group, right? We'll continue.